Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NAUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take an English literature class for class 4. Our today's topic is Unit 1 and 2 question answer RW. So we're going to revise the question answers of Unit 1 and 2 from the buzzword book. This is lecture number 17. Dear students, look here. First, Unit 1. Unit 1 was Clever Tenali Raman. We are going to practice the question answers from this unit first. Question number 1. What reward did the king give Raja Varma? Answer. The king rewarded Raja Varma with the post of chief minister. Number 2. Why was Raja Varma unhappy with this reward? Answer. Raja Varma was unhappy with this reward because he was an artist and wished to be left alone to carry on with his painting. Number 3. Why was the king angry with the food served by Tenali Raman? Answer. The king was angry with the food served by Tenali Raman because it was too spicy, too salty and undercooked. Number 4. What reason did Raman give for getting a carpenter to cook for the king? Answer. Raman gave the reason that if an artist can be the chief minister, a carpenter can also be a cook. Number 5. What did the king do after he realized his mistake? Answer. The king felt embarrassed and sent Raja Varma back to his old job after he realized his mistake. Now let's move on to Unit 2. Unit 2 was the floating market. Let's start the question answers from this unit. Number 1. How is the market to which Lamai goes different from other markets? Answer. The market to which Lamai goes is a floating market located on a river, but other markets are in buildings. Number 2. How do people travel to reach the market? Answer. People travel in their boats to reach the market. Number 3. Where do Lamai and her family live? Answer. Lamai and her family live on a farm in Thailand. Number 4. Where do the market boats gather? Answer. The market boats gather at a wide place in the river. Number 5. What do the merchants do to sell their goods? Answer. To sell their goods, the merchants call out what they have to sell. Number 6. What else do people come to buy apart from fresh fruits and vegetables? Answer. Apart from fresh fruits and vegetables, people also come to buy souvenirs like purses, t-shirts, pencils, etc. Okay, dear students, this was question answer revision for Unit 1 and 2 of your buzzword book. Please revise the question answers at home properly. And you have exams coming up. The half-yearly examination will be held at your home. So please study carefully. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.